So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic basic ecological concepts. So guys, this video will be all about community, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. Alright, we'll just go ahead and answer this question. It's just one question that we have here for this video, and the question says, plants and animals of an ecosystem make up A. Succession, B. Population, C. Habitat, D. Community. So guys, obviously the answer to this question is option D, and that's community. So in an ecosystem, the plants and animals together make up a community. Actually, the community is an interacting group of various species in a common location. So for example, in the forest you have trees and then undergrowth plants and so on, and this forest is also inhabited by animals and some bacteria, fungi and the rest of them. So the whole of this constitutes the community in that environment. So that's it for that question. And guys, this is where we'll end the video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section and we'll be sure to give you a response. So we also want to use this opportunity, guys, to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. You can do that by hitting the join button below, and you'll be a member of this community. We'll post major premium updates on WAEC examination. So that's all for today, and thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.